Imagine waking up, getting into your car, and instead of driving on the road, you lift off the ground and fly over the city. No traffic, no congestion, just a smooth, effortless flight to your destination. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that flying cars are closer to reality than ever before? The flying car revolution begins. For decades, the idea of flying cars was only seen in science fiction movies like Blade Runner and Back to the Future. But today, major companies like Tesla, Joby Aviation, Airbus, and Uber are racing to turn this futuristic vision into reality. The latest advancements in electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL, vehicles, AI-powered navigation, and sustainable battery technology have pushed us closer than ever to making flying cars a daily reality. How do flying cars work? Unlike traditional airplanes, flying cars use electric propulsion, AI-driven flight systems, and autonomous technology to safely navigate urban areas. Many eVTOLs operate like drones, with multiple propellers allowing for vertical takeoff and landing. This means you won't need a runway, just a small landing pad on top of buildings or parking spaces. The biggest challenges, but while flying cars sound exciting, several major challenges are slowing down their rollout. Regulations, air traffic control, battery life, and safety concerns are still being worked on. Governments and aviation authorities need to create new air traffic systems to manage thousands of flying vehicles in the sky safely. Which companies are leading the race? Tesla. Elon Musk. While Tesla hasn't officially announced a flying car, Musk has hinted at an electric eVTOL concept in the future. Joby Aviation, already testing air taxis, with plans to launch commercial flying services soon. Airbus. Boeing, developing advanced autonomous air taxis for smart cities. Uber Air, once planned urban air mobility services, though their aviation branch was later acquired. How close are we to flying cars? The reality is that commercial flying cars are expected to launch within this decade. Some experts predict that by 2030, air taxis could become as common as Uber rides. However, mass adoption may take longer, as cities need to upgrade their infrastructure, laws, and air traffic management systems. The future of urban mobility. Imagine a world where traffic congestion is eliminated, commutes are reduced from hours to minutes, and cities expand vertically rather than horizontally. Flying cars could revolutionize how we live, work, and travel. But are we truly ready for this futuristic transformation? Closing statements ETA. So, what do you think? Are we ready to embrace flying cars, or is this technology still too risky? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing updates on future technology. eVTOL.